Welcome. In this video we are going to learn about relative frequency and percentage distributions. As you can see here, this is the relative frequency and this is the percentage distributions. So the questions in our mind now, what is the relative frequency? So talking about relative frequency, so it shows that what fractional part, so it is basically a fractions of the whole part or the proportion, so we can say of the total frequency belongs to the corresponding category. As you can see here in the box, there is a numbers of fruits or the types of fruit like the apple, mango, orange, guava. These are the four types of the fruits, and the number eaten or taken are considered as the frequency. Okay, so this is the frequency, and the frequency of apple is 5, mango is 10, orange is 6, and the guava is 4. Okay, as you can see, this is the table that will be the given. So how we can find out the relative frequency? So in order to find out the relative frequency, we have to divide frequency of that category with the sum of all the frequency. So if we sum all this frequency, we get the 25. It is a total frequency, and we have to now divide the every category's frequency with the total frequency. We get a proportions that determine or that shows that the apple is the something parts or fractions of this 25. As you can see here, this is the 5 and we divided it the 25, we get now the 1 by 5. So the apples is 1 by 5 of the 25. Okay, and this is fractions representations of the any total frequency. Okay, and in order to convert it, when we convert the relative frequency in the percentage, so when we simply multiply the RF with the 100%, now we get the total percentage of the respective categories. Suppose in order to calculate the apple, we have the 1 by 5 fractional part of the apple, and if we multiply it the 100%, then it determine that the apple is the 20% of the 100% fruit, and the 100% fruit categorized in the 4 type, that is the apple, mango, orange, and the guava. In this way we can find relatives and the percentage frequency. For example, if we consider this box as an example, now the relative frequency of the apple is equals to 5 as the number of the number of the apple, and divided by the whole frequency, which is the summation sigma f, and which is 25, and 5 by 25 is 1 by 5, and in decimal 0.25. and if you want to convert it into the percentage, we simply multiply with the 100% and we get the 20%, and this is here for the apple 0.2% and the 20% for the apples too. So now the relative frequency of the mango can be also identified in the same way, with the same number of mango divided by the total number of fruit, we get the 0.4%, and if we multiply this with the 100%, now we get the percentage distributions of the mango. In this way we can find out the relative frequency and the percentage distributions of all. Thank you.